Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Las Vegas sits in the Mojave Desert, one of the driest regions in North America, and its weather reflects the dramatic landscape. The city experiences long periods of clear skies throughout the year and very few rainy days. Most of its annual rainfall comes in short, isolated storms, often during late summer. But overall the climate is dominated by sunshine and low humidity. The seasons in Las Vegas are sharply defined. Summer is the most intense, lasting from June through September. During this period, temperatures regularly climb well above 38 degrees Celsius, with July and August often reaching their highest points. The heat is dry rather than tropical, which is typical of the Mojave, and the city is built with that climate in mind. Everything from shaded walkways to air-conditioned bridges and indoor attractions help people move comfortably even in the warmest months. Winter, from December through February, is surprisingly mild. Daytime temperatures often sit between 10 and 18 degrees Celsius, while nights can drop to close to freezing. Snow in the valley is rare, but the mountains surrounding the city can see occasional winter weather. For visitors who prefer cooler conditions and smaller crowds, winter can be a favorable season. Between these two extremes are the transitional seasons, which many consider the best times to visit. Spring, from March to May, brings comfortable temperatures and long daylight hours. The city's outdoor promenades, rooftop spaces, and pedestrian walkways feel more open and welcoming during this period. Autumn, especially September through November, is another ideal window. The late summer heat fades, leaving warm days and cooler evenings, making it easier to explore the strip on foot. Visitation patterns often follow the weather. Spring and autumn are popular for conventions, concerts, and major sport events, which mean the city is active but conditions are comfortable for walking, sightseeing, and filming outdoors. Summer draws large numbers of travelers as well, but the midday heat shifts much of the activity indoors to casinos, malls, and resort spaces. Winter tends to be steady, with a noticeable spike for New Year's Eve celebrations. No matter the season, Las Vegas has a climate that supports travel year-round. The weather shapes how people experience the city. Summer encourages indoor exploration and nighttime walks. Spring and fall invite long outdoor routes along the strip, and winter provides a cooler backdrop for shows, restaurants, and museums. Understanding the rhythm of the seasons helps match the style of visits to the conditions, making every trip feel tailored to the moment in Las Vegas' unique desert environment.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.